Thank you for tuning in and welcome to this unboxing and review of a bunch of miniatures I ordered from Etsy at a store called 3Dminis. And without further ado, let's go look in the box and then we'll talk about it some more and do some size comparisons and stuff. Paperwork. Ooh, individually packed. Lovely. Careful here. There we go. A thug. You can check out the products on the page. I'll link to it below. I ordered this set of thugs. I ordered the warhounds, and I ordered all the guardsmen. But this will take a while to get out of the box, so I will unpackage them and we'll go have a closer look at them. So here they all are. I should probably add that this is not a sponsored video. I bought these like anybody else, just going and found the shop and picked them up. So you'll get my my full and honest review. We have 3 war dogs, 2 sleeping guardsmen, 3 guardsmen with pikes, 3 with crossbows, 3 with torches and swords, and the 3 thugs. So let's grab a random guardsman and a base. One thing that I'm really amazed at, oh sorry about this. One thing that I'm really amazed with is that nothing is bent or broken or anything. They were really well packaged. So that's a really nice start, I think. So here we have one on a 25mm base. And first thing I'll say is they don't have, I don't know how well this translates to the camera, but they don't have the annoying lines you often see on 3D printed minis. So dry brushing and stuff like that should be safe, and I'm really relieved to see that. In my mind, I had imagined it would take a lot of work before I could put some paint on them. The detail is a little soft, but not enough for me to worry. It's not crisp like GW plastics, but let's see here. This is a Frostgrave cultist. The guardsman is slightly taller, but he's standing tall, so that doesn't really matter too much to me. Take Games Workshop Chaos Knight. So they're not small. They're heroic scale, definitely. Again, this doesn't bother me at all, but it's something to keep in mind if you want them to fit with Frostgrave or your other Mordheimy bits and stuff like that. So yeah, just to sum up, detail is a little soft, no print lines, no mold lines obviously, as these were 3D printed, nothing bent, nothing broken. Size, a bit bigger than most companies out there, but not too big for it to really matter. And all in all, I love the designs. So yeah, in conclusion, I'll say go check them out, and if they have something for you, I can recommend them. I would definitely, if I'm playing Frostgrave or Mordheim, consider the dogs. I think they are beautiful, and good dogs can be hard to find. And they're cheap too. Yeah, for price, it's not Reaper Bones, but the quality is also definitely, I'd say, above Reaper Bones. And it's not quite up there with the expensive companies, so and it's resin, and I don't like metal minis, as some of you know. So that's a big plus for me. But yeah, let me know below if you have any experience with 3Dminis or other 3D printed companies. I'd love to check that out. And yeah, I'll come back with these painted at some point and probably use them in Frostgrave. So till next time, take care, bye bye.